Hello everybody, today we are going to see about InBios Scrub Typhus Detect IgG ELISA test kit. It's made by InBios International USA. This is the product. Should be maintained at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Let me give you this is how the box looks like. This is the top, this is the front, all the sides and the bottom. And let's come back to the front. You can see this. I can go to unbox this for you. Okay, you can see a brochure. Let me go to this brochure here. And this is the InBios brand Scrub Typhus Detect IgG ELISA test kit. If you look at the Scrub Typhus Detect IgG ELISA test kit is used for the reduction of the parasite OT, for the reduction of IgG antibodies in human serum. This is a CE certified product. Probably I can just use this to show the tell you what are the contents inside. If you look at let me keep it here. If you look at the material supplied, you have the Scrub Typhus ELISA plate, 96 well plate, and you have a sample dilution buffer for Scrub Typhus IgG, Scrub Typhus IgG positive control, Scrub Typhus negative control, and ready to use enzyme conjugate HRP for Scrub Typhus IgG. And you have 10 times wash buffer and EN wash, liquid TMB substrate, and also the stop solution. This is just shown in the manual. I'm also going to show you this actual boxes. Let me keep it here, and let me take the 96 well plate. Here's the 96 well plate. Okay, I'm going to introduce you the contents inside the kit. Okay, let me go one by one. This is how it looks like. You can see this one, the Scrub Typhus IgG negative control 50 ml. Just putting it back. I'm taking the next one. You can see this Scrub Typhus IgG positive control 50 ml. And then let me go back to this section. Okay, let me difficult to take it, then it's fine. Okay, this is you can see it is 10 times wash buffer 120 ml. You can see this is how it looks like. Okay, then I'll go for the other one. This is sample dilution buffer for Scrub Typhus IgG to 25 ml. Okay, I think we've got one more bottle of sample dilution buffer for Scrub Typhus IgG. There are two bottles of 25 ml. Okay, we have to see this. This is stop solution 6 ml. This is how it looks like. This EN wash 20 ml. Let me take this. This is a liquid TMB substrate 12 ml. And ready to use enzyme conjugate HRP for Scrub Typhus IgG 12 ml. Okay, here you go. You can see all the contents of the kit. So typically you have the buffer and corresponding solutions, and you have the 96 well plate, and you have the instruction manual and with IFU brochure. This is the complete test kit for Okay, let me close this. Okay, one second. The scrub Typhus detect IgG ELISA kit, and this is how the kit looks like. Thank you.